Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, July 6, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to shoot a video to go over the acronym K.I.S.S. Keep it super simple. I've had a lot of people reach out asking me what marketing system I'm using. Do you use any capture pages? Do you have any custom share codes? Do you have ad copy to use? And the answer that I give them is no, I don't have any of that. Okay? I use all the marketing tools that gotbackup provides us inside our members area. And it's absolutely everything you need to take this business and grow it into 6 and 7 figures. Because all you have to do, you have to stay consistent. That's the main thing. You got to show up every single day. Stay consistent. Do some income producing activities each day. Try to get the tour page in front of at least 2 people minimum. All right? It's not hard to do, folks. There's billions of people on Facebook alone, okay? And everybody with a cell phone needs our product. So there's plenty of people to go around for everyone. If you do that, just staying consistent, not give up. Take this and do an income producing activity every single day for a year. You can grow this into a huge business, okay? You can grow it into a huge business. And before we get further, I do have to say there's an income disclaimer down in the video description. I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with this. It's all based on your work ethic. I will tell you that gotbackup provides all the necessary marketing tools that you need to be successful with this. So like I said, as long as you show up every day and treat it like a real business that it is, you can be successful with this company. All right? And there will be millionaires made with this company. So keep it super simple. I'm going to show you really quick. I know I've done other videos about this in the past, including my last one, the $10 business in a box video, because that's what I call this. It's a complete business in a box for $9.97 a month. But here you can see the promo links that we get. All right, this is the tour page right here. This converts. I get almost a 30% conversion rate using this tour page. We have the main gotbackup page here. If people are interested in just our services. You have a live webinar link that you can share. There is a capture page here for solo ads. And then we have a webinar replay link that you get. All right, so that's all you do. And one thing I do recommend you do, and it's totally optional, you don't have to, is I would either get a custom domain name, okay? So like in my case, I have gotbackupsystem.com, and then that link redirects to this link right here, my tour page. Or you can shorten this up using a link shortener, okay? And then some people just share this link the way it is right here. There's nothing wrong with that either. But I always was taught to get a custom link, a custom domain name. It just looks more professional. And, I think that it does convert better. I mean, in my, personal opinion, it looks better. All right? So you get all these pages here to promote. You have banners, you have advertising ad copy, you have pre-enrollee ad copy, you have social media banners. All right, we have a fully functional lead capture system. You can set up campaigns, you can do follow-up and broadcast messages, you can see your subscriber stats, lists, you can add a subscriber, there's email analytics. And folks, we have 4 webinars each week, okay? We have Monday night training with Linda Cromar. All right, so she's our master trainer. She knows the ins and outs of this system better than anybody. But what she does on our Monday calls is she actually shows us how to use the gotbackup software to back up all your devices. All right, so it's super helpful. Wednesdays, we have our Wednesday night cutoff webinar. And this is with Joel Terrian, the owner and CEO, and Mike, the COO. And it's a fun webinar. You get a tour of the office. You get to learn about Joel and Mike and their history together in the marketing world. You get to ask any questions you have. And it's just a really fun webinar, okay? All the big leaders are on the call. And it's my favorite one. Then we have Thursday nights. So tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern, every Thursday, we have Jerry Schroeder, okay? He's our marketing director. And he shows us how to use social media to bring in pre-enrollees and signups, okay? So that's a super helpful call. You're going to learn how to recruit like a pro. And then on Fridays, we have our recognition call with Joel and Mike, Okay? And this is another, you can ask questions. Joel goes over the company, and then they recognize people who are doing well in the company. All right? So it's another fun webinar call. And folks, you have every single thing that you need inside your back office that makes it super easy to grow this into a full-time income. Okay? I mean, you just keep it super simple. Do some income producing activities every day. Make sure you're sharing the core page with a minimum of 2 people every day. Not hard to do. And just stay consistent. That's the main key right there. You're not going to get rich overnight with this. All right? But stick with it for a year. It's only $10 a month, and you can sign up for a year and save 20 bucks. All right? So it's super easy to do. You can become a reseller for a one-time $40 fee. That gives you access to this entire back office here, this members area, and there's so much more stuff that I haven't shown you. But and then it's only $9.97 a month after that. So it's a no-brainer for me. There's close to 7 billion smartphones on the planet, and every single person with one of these, or a desktop, or a laptop, or a tablet, can use this software. They need this software. You need this software. Okay? So if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to learn more about this amazing opportunity and become a reseller, click the link down in the comments section. I'll pin it. gotbackupsystem.com. It'll take you over to my core page. It looks like this. Okay, we have a 6-minute video here that goes into detail about everything and how it works. Then if you want to reserve your position in our Powerline system, you enter your name and a valid email address and click Reserve My Position Now. All right? So that's it for this video. I hope you found value in it. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.